Hey, what's up guys? It's Mac here, and today I want to just go ahead and walk you guys through the new Tezotopia builder. Pretty cool. It's very intuitive, so it doesn't really require way too much explaining. But you can see here I have all of my land, right? And I've already started building on most of them. I still have 2 left here. The ones that don't have this little mark on it means I haven't started building on them yet. You can only build one thing at a time, so you gotta go ahead and click on the build button. As of right now, it seems like the best thing to build first is the starbase. The best, like, APR. The one that you can make back the fastest is the starbase. It'll create 1x machinery modifier, so it's much faster to build than like the Uno reactor. And as of right now, battles aren't even implemented, so it's not really worth it to build the other ones until battles are implemented. You definitely want to have them ready by the time battles are implemented, but for now you probably don't need them. Accelerator, basically this will make you get more energy that per hour on top of the base production, so you can build that last if you really want a lot of energy. Energy is probably not necessary right now. It's not nearly as useful as machinery, so let's go ahead and start building our machinery. And if you want to have a really good fast kind of experience with this, you should probably use your own node. If you're delegated to Cryptstar, you can go ahead and use the Cryptstar node and get join our Telegram group, and it works a lot faster than the built-in node for Temple Wallet, so you'll have a much smoother experience. Just like everything else with Tezos, you have to wait about 30 seconds for a block confirmation. So it takes about, the block time is 30 seconds, so it takes about 30 seconds to go ahead and confirm that transaction. As you can see here, it shows you how many buildings are there as well. That's what that little building block means. Let's see. Go ahead and click on block 1065 here. So looks like my other building has been built, or is being built, and my confirmed transaction has been confirmed. So I can just go ahead and click on this one. So yeah, it's kind of a math game and sort of a chess game, but it's a long-term chess game. You can't do it like all the time. So yeah, that's why I like Tezotopia. You don't have to stick on here all day. If you want to have action, I would check out their Telegram group. There's a lot of action going on in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just one more thing before I go. Check out my beautiful symbol blocks. It's my pride and my joy. Have a good day, guys, and have fun building. Catch y'all later.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to the Twitter and hashtag the things. Pump it. Pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.